Stella!
Look, it's not you. It won't work, okay? Because I'm a yeah, that. Sorry you have to see this. Fire in the hole!
Oh my...
This smell doesn't bother you?
No, this face was bred for beauty. I cannot smell a thing.
You can't smell.
Now!
What a blast! I'm gonna keep this if that's okay.
You know what happens when a skunk fears for her life? Well, Peg was a skunk who feared for her life and had been corked for 3 years. Peg saved everyone that day.
And you were a big hero and everyone loved you, Meg. I mean, Peg.
No, they treated me worse than ever.
You know, I'm really starting to think that you're not special at all. You just have an enormous ego.
There we go.
I'm back! Fire in the hole! Peg, say hello to my little smelly friend.
Hey, Nate. What's wrong, big guy? Can't follow me? Way to go, Nate! Keep it up! You're gonna find out what it means to get a skunk angry! First stop, smell! I did it!
Oh no! What could possibly make such a terrible stench?
Keep your eyes peeled, boys. I know they're here somewhere.
We're almost clear. Who's that?
Sorry, Kick. Lingonberry gas.
We'll keep it under control. You'll blow our cover.
It's no use, Kick. My butt, it's gonna...
Doesn't anyone knock anymore? My work here is done.
Good boy, Cliff. Good boy.
Lisa, that's not Cliff.
Skunk!
Stop! You're scaring her!
Run!
Intern! Molly, meet my new intern, Reggie.
Nice to meet you.
So, Mr. Scratch, what would you say is your most effective scaring technique?
Rich, I'm going to stop you right there. You are nowhere near scare ready. You got to learn to walk before you can run, buddy, okay? Let's start by getting rid of this stink cloud.
On it, Mr. Scratch.
Yeah? Well, who asked you? Why don't you mind your own P's and Q's? And that goes the same for your beeswax! Well, time for me to skedaddle. See you later, Grumpy Grumpster.
No one gets in, and no one gets out.
Oh, yeah?
You wouldn't.
I would! I got a big day of traveling tomorrow. Got to get that good rest. Nights, y'alls.
I hate this part.
No! Get back in the daycare! Whoa! Man, stinks! I don't want to sit in a tub of tomato juice!
Well, next year you'll have to try harder not to get sprayed.
Wait, are you saying?
Yup, that skunk can hold a grudge.
What's going on here?
Oh no! They're gonna capture the fart fairy! No, they won't! Smelly it! This is for you! And planet Earth!
Retreat!
Wow, Lashana! Well, it all came out okay in the end.
Speak for yourself.
Oh, it's gonna blow! Run!
Can somebody pass me the teddy bear? What happens to all the air you do?
You're welcome.
Gotcha!
Do you want a piece of me?
No, just grab him!
Get us out of here!
This smell skunk? I absolutely adore it! Welcome to the Muchmore family. You're my sweet little skunky.
How far away is Santa Paw?